I'm Anil Kumar, and this time it is question number 8, page 440, Nelson Trigonometry Review of Unit 7. Now again, it's a reminder that please don't do just these questions. You have to try some more so that you understand the subject fairly well and get prepared for university, okay? Now, we have to prove this trigonometric identity, which is 1 minus sine square x divided by cotangent square x equals to 1 minus cos square x. We can start from the left side, which is 1 minus sine square x over cot square x. Now 1 minus sine square x is cos square x, and cot square x can be written as cos square x divided by sine square x, which we could write as cos square x times sine square x divided by cos square x. Now cos square x cancel out, and what we get here is sine square x. As you know, sine square x is 1 minus cos square x, which is the right side, correct? So that is how we can prove left side equals to right side, and hence the identity has been proven. I hope that helps. Thank you.